Hello kids, welcome to my another video. Today we are learning about myself. So let's start it. Number 1. My, yam y my, yan a yam e, name. I yes is Zainab Mia, Z a I yan a b Zainab, yam I y a Mia. Adds your name. Number 2 is I am 6-year-old. Yes, I am 6. year-old. Old. At your age. Number 3 is I live. I am in Nepal. 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 Add your country or add your location. Number 4 is I am a student. 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 I am a student. Number 5 is I like to smile. Yes, smile. I like to smile. What do you like? Do you like smile? Number 6 is I love love my parents. 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 I love my parents. Do you like your parents or love your parents? Number 7 is my favorite. My favorite color is pink. What is your favorite color? Okay kids, now repeat one more time. My name is Zainab Mia. I am 6-year-old. I live in Nepal. I am a student. I like to smile. I love my parents and my favorite color is pink. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe please.